4 versus the jury. Live na live.
Yes, mga kapuso, live na live, fresh from the island. The final 4 castaways together with the jury.
But this time around, instead of the jury grilling the final 4, ang final 4 po ang mag-grill sa jurors natin. Kasama natin sa final 4 si Akihiro, si Solen, si Aubrey, at syempre si Ervic.
At representing the jury, nandito sina Nanay Elma, Sex Bomb Ira, Michelle Madrigal, and pero ito na lang, at least masaya ka because Solen is still here. Sauce, join us here, Sauce. It's your time to choose.
Solen's up next.
There. Nanay Elma. Okay, alam ko magka-tribo kayo since day 1, diba? So, anong gusto mong itanong kay Nanay Elma, Sauce?
Okay, everyone has prejudgments of me. Kasi iniisip nila maarte ako or kasi socialite ako, model ako. So, were you one of them? Tapos, anong sasabi mo nandito na ako?
Ikaw ba, nung nakita mo una si Solen, Nanay Elma, sa tingin mo ba maarte siya? Tapos, nagulat ka ba na ganun pala si Solen?
Na-shock nga ako kasi yung parang hindi mo akalain ganyan ka-sexy. Ang ganda ng, naku, pati mukha, nandoon na lahat. Wala na ako maipintas. Talagang, sabi ko parang sayang dahil masisira yung beauty niya, sumali. Kasi hindi ko akalain walang arte, walang chemi. Kahit doon na lang sa mga elemento. Saka, bilib ako. Talagang mabait. From Samagan pa lang, trabaho din siya, trabaho din ako. Basta nakita niyo naman walang intriga doon sa aming tribo. So talagang, masaya talaga para kay Solen. Kasi, yung aming tribo na pinagmulan talagang, Lord, thank you.
Salamat, Nanay.
Chard, you've been friends with Solen for such a long time. Did you think that she would have it in her to last this long? As in final 4 of this competition that's so tough, mentally and physically.
Maraming nagulat, kasama na ako doon, syempre, dahil hindi ko rin...
Even you, hello?
Hindi ko nga ina-expect na tatagal siya. Hindi ko ina-expect na tatagal siya, pero nagulat nga kaming lahat, syempre, pati yung mga kaibigan namin, sila Raymond, nagulat na tumagal si Solen. Ayun, siguro Solen wanted to prove a point to everybody.
And what
nagawa niya, diba? Actually, can I just share, nung nagpaalis na si Solen, nagkaroon kami ng parang despedida for her. Pero sabi namin, Sos, we'll see you in 5 days. Kasi kala talaga namin siya yung unang matatanggal.
And I remember when I interviewed Solen back then, ang gusto lang niya talaga mangyari is to lose weight. This is the reason why she entered the contest, not knowing that she would end up in the final 4 and be in the standings for 3 million pesos.
Yun na nga, mapunta tayo dun sa 3 million pesos. On a serious note naman, because marami nagsasabi na kumukestyon, bakit mananalo si Solen na hindi naman daw niya kailangan yung pera? What can you say about that?
Well, first of all, you join Survivor because you want the experience, and then maybe some want the prize. But you shouldn't be judged on like where you come from, because when we work on the island, we all start with the same things on our back. We all wear the same clothes. We're all the same person, so you shouldn't be judged. And like, I'm not saying also what I'm gonna do with the money or who I'm gonna help, because it shouldn't matter. It's the title they're giving away, not even if there's 3 million pesos.
I think we're passing up the obvious questions here though, Raymond. So many things have been written about the two of you. So many people are asking, ano ba talaga ang totoong score between the two of you, Richard and Solen? Ang daming gustong makitang to see you guys finally together. What's the
may
score?
mga fans. May mga banners na.
My soul shard na ano? Paano ba yun?
Grabe.
Solid shard?
Ayan, okay.
I think I can speak for the two of us. We're just enjoying time together right now, and that's it.
And does that agree with you?
Yeah, yeah.
Ikaw talaga yung sumasagot.
Better.
Yeah, we're friends, and yun.
Also, let's not put any pressure, di ba, Pia?
Yeah,
Speechless
lagi
na
na
si
kami,
Richard
lagi kami
Gutierrez.
tinatanong kahit saan ako magpunta yun ang tanong. So, ilang beses ko na rin nasagot yan.
You've run out of interesting ways to answer it.
Yes. So let's keep it short and simple.
Another
For friends.
question kay Solen, kasi marami nagsasabi na when you joined Survivor, you mentioned in your earlier interviews na you won't join showbiz afterwards. Pero ngayon, maraming bulong-bulungan at maraming nasusulat na after Survivor daw, may mga naka-line up ka na projects.
That is true. I didn't want to enter showbiz at first. I just wanted to launch a music career. And then I had a lot of offers. Tapos you can't really reject the fact that you're being paired with Mr. Richard Gutierrez.
Okay, so you'll be paired with Chard. We can announce that.
Yeah, you can announce that.
Okay, there you go.
Balita na
Something to look forward to.
That she's going to be part of Captain Barbell.
Yes.
All right. Congratulations, Solen, for making it to the Final Four. We have one more survivor here.
Well, the one and only Aubrey Ma.